house on the block this summer, you can rely on Petro's expert technicians because they understand your home and the people. For a few hours. From your loaner team, but make the switch to
just a swirl around a popular donut shop in North Kingstown. Military veterans from Connecticut, Massachusetts joined Rhode Island vets stage a protest outside Alley's Donuts yesterday. They say the decision to discontinue a 10% discount for vets is disrespectful. The shop's owner says it was done in support of the Black Lives Matter movement. Get news 24/7 on demand at newsradiori.com.
Now, here's your Storm Team 10 forecast.
Partly cloudy, still comfortable tonight. Temperatures in the low 50s for Tuesday morning. Partly sunny Tuesday. Highs in the mid to upper 70s. Beaches in the low and mid 70s. Real nice day. Comfortable again on Wednesday. Sunshine, upper 70s. Mix of clouds and sun on Thursday. A little warmer. Highs in the low 80s. I'm Storm Team 10 meteorologist Mark Searles on News Radio 920 and 104.7 FM.
News Radio 920 and 104.7 FM. Traffic.
Delays at 95 north after the highway up towards the state offices exit southbound. A little slow near the 146 merge towards Atwells Avenue. Minor delays in the 610 getting on the 95. 195 east to west clear near Broadway and the Washington Bridge. 146 delay free near Branch Avenue. 295 is smooth between Route 44, Route 6, and Route 37. With your Southern New England traffic, I'm Jim Stearns.
This report is sponsored by Wickenden. Great news! In addition to the Wickenden takeout special of a complimentary bottle of wine or a quart of their delicious homemade chicken soup for pickup orders of $45 or more, the dining room is now open once again. Summer specials are also back.
They call it the new normal.
Hi, you could just leave the pizza right on the ground.
Oh, wow.
Yep, thank you. Hello?
Is the trouble here? I found you some hand I saw.
Yeah, your kiss like well.
Picking up speed. The last thing you need.
Music right now. This week, find great.
Would absolutely bring me to the TV.
That dead brain.
The state offices exit southbound. A little slow near the 140.
Upfront fees, and we offer a 100. But you must call us at 800-625-8417. This opportunity won't last long, so call us today at 800-625-8417. You have enough to worry about. Settle your debt and remove that unneeded stress. 800-625-8417. That's 800-625-8417. Paid for by Lose Tax. Attention, this is a very important message to anyone with debt exceeding $10,000. With the worldwide stock markets free-falling, coronavirus being labeled a global pandemic, cities and whole countries in quarantine, and layoffs picking up speed, the last thing you need to worry about is your credit card bills. Due to the recent global events, a special debt relief helpline has been created for anyone with over $10,000 in debt. But you must call us at 800-625-8417. As banks shore up capital bracing for a recession, they are willing to settle your debt for a fraction of what you owe, making it a perfect time to eliminate your debt and save your money during these tough economic times. There are no upfront fees, and we offer a 100% money-back guarantee. But you must call us at 800-625-8417. This opportunity won't last long, so call us today at 800-625-8417. You have enough to worry about. Settle your debt and remove that unneeded stress. 800-625-8417. That's 800-625-8417.
Launching the Wicked Dance deals right now. Sign up for our early alert email club. Be the first to know about upcoming deals and secret promo codes only available to wickeddeals.com email club members. Now you can print gift certificates on demand, so no waiting. Buy, save, print, and go. Discounted gift certificates to restaurants, spas, concerts, attractions, and more. Join the thousands who already know the best place to get the best deals. 393.
The sports of headline.
Every week we'll be coming to you.
This trusted. was like, only in Hollywood can you go see a movie and then have the star of the movie wait on you for dessert.
Together, Jack and Donald recall the intimate journey that built the